Now I want to show you how to install the CodingPass Client Judge. Firstly, you got to log into CodingPass here. Okay, the IP is CodingPass.com. When you come here, you just click the language, select the English, and then download. We want to download the client app. So the client app is this one at the number 5. So download this one. Okay. So guys, I have it downloaded before. This is it. And then you got to decompress this file. After you decompress this one, you will get this. You will get this. Okay, the file you want to execute is this one, CodingPass exe.exe. So I have the shortcut here. I have the shortcut here. Then run the program. Then run it. When you see the agree following terms, click this one. And then select the language as English. Select the language as English. Okay. So key in the ID that I get to you. And the password. When all set, click sign in. Sign in, this is our class, KH International. And this is our course, Python Basic. So far, I have 6 questions answered. In the beginning, you click this one, you click this one. A little slow. So you need to have patience to wait. So this is the first one, says 1000. So when go in here, get in here, the first thing you have to do is define the language you want to use. That's the Python. So how to define this one is Python? You just click Alt and C, Alt and C, 2 key. This is the interface for you to select the language. The first time you install the CodingPass, there are two interpreters that you are using. So it is recommended that it's strongly recommended that you using the latest version of 3.13. So I had it installed for this one. This is I installed the 3.13 version. So after I install this one, this will show okay, click this one, and then in this screen in here you click ILT and see the language UI will show to you. Originally, it only had 2 icons here. After I installed the 3.13, this one comes out, which means that you want to use the latest version. If you want to use Python language, you can also select this one. You can also select this one. If you select this one, the language will change to PyDroid. But still, I recommend you to use the new one. Okay, then you click this question description. Go down to here, copy this line, Control C, and paste it here. This one is for you to select language. This is your ID, and then execute the execution. Execution means you want to submit your code. If you submit send out, it will give you SO, same output. And then click this one as judge. If you got it right, the system will give you full score. Okay, congratulations. So we go next. We go next to select question number 2. This is 1001. Click this one. Okay, question will jump out on the screen, and then see the description of the questions, copy the 2 lines in here, then execute. It will have same output on the system. Then judge. Then doing the judge. Also, it gives you the 100 score. Then we can go continue. Just close the window and go to the number 3. Check the item, the problem statements. The problem statement wants us to use this one. Control C and paste it here. The first line says S equals input, which means that 314159 will be set into S. Then it will print the S for twice execution. You will get the SO, same output, then judge. If your answer is correct, the system will give you 100 points. Should be no problem. We get another 100. Then we'll go to the next one. Close this one and go into the next question, 1003. For the 1003, you see the question. The question says, we want to input this one and print it out for twice. So the input we got to, this one we got to do the coding. I have an answer for you for this one. Not this one, should be this one. I will give you the answer from 1003 to 1010. So let's see the question 1003. This is the code of the answer. So copy this one, copy it. If you want to do it offline, you can copy that here. You can run it at here. Run the code here. Same as you were running idle in your PC, the same process. Okay, then paste the 103 here. I copy the line. That's what the system requires. Control C and run it. Okay, put that on the desktop. Name it as 1003. Okay, when after running, you give this answer, give this input, and it will print out twice. Same as the problem statement. So we come back to here and select 1003. See the problem statement. The request the input this word and output this one. So you can post your code here. Oh, no, this is input. This is input. You post your input here. Then we come back to get the answer. The answer is this one. Oh. This is the answer. And this is the input. After everything settled down, you run the executing. When the program running go to the line number 2, it will get the data, input data to the IP line, then print IP line or twice. Send out. Then we are waiting for the final score. This question is asked for the IP line printed twice. Print it twice. So if you got the 100 again, if you get it again, means that you finish question 1002. Okay, should be no problem. Let me say the charge again. Waiting for a little while. Maybe okay. So if you got this, close this one. You can see that you got 1000 up to 1003. So the answer for 1004 to 10 to the 1010. I will give you the answer. So please check the answer. Please check the answer. I will post this one. Okay, compress this. Compress this to the, okay. I will up to this one onto ROZ, and you depress this file and got all the answers. One after one, please run this code on the CodingPass platform. Thank you.